I don't foresee that, but if you did want to, set something up to be able to protect yourself in that situation, we could set you up a trigger trust. So what that is it's an irrevocable asset protection trust or another type of irrevocable trust to hold your assets here domestically in the U.S. There's kind of a domino effect of trustees and people that step down, and the assets move offshore into a Cook Islands trust or offshore into another vehicle into another jurisdiction that's difficult for the U.S. to penetrate. If you foresaw something like that coming, it's a little expensive to set that up, but if you do have large amounts of money that you've made off of XRP, you can probably afford it. You can look at it as an insurance policy. Many large family offices diversify across multiple jurisdictions to be able to mitigate some of those risk or geopolitical risk that they see on the horizon, just like you're talking about. Nothing wrong with that, right? And we have the partners and solutions to be able to effectuate those things if that's something that you're interested in.